In this video, we're going to take a look at how doors and windows work in the Home Designer products. Windows and doors can be placed in either a 2D or a 3D view. Let's begin and take a look at placing a window in a 2D view. Using the window tool, you'll see a variety of different styles of windows. Selecting the window, you can place on a wall, click and place, and that will place the default style of window depending on the template plan you're using. You can then select that window and resize it. You can also double click and change the style of window that you want. Inside of the window dialog, you'll notice that there are several styles of windows that you can choose from inside the dialog. You can set the width, height, and elevation information, including the floor to top and floor to bottom. There's information for casing, sash, lights, shape, arch, window treatments, shutters, materials, and also the Windows label. You can create a number of styles using the Home Designer products and setting these changes to create a variety of shapes and styles of windows. Doors work very similar to windows in Home Designer. You'll find a variety of different door styles ranging from hinged to pocket to barn doors and several others. When you place a hinged door, you can slide your mouse over a given wall and you can move to one side or the other before you click. You can also hold your left mouse button down and then slide to one side of the door or the other and control where it's placed. Once you place the door, you can click on it and there are tools to change the opening side. You can click to toggle that to one side or the other, and you can also change the opening side or the swing side by clicking and using that tool to change it after you've placed the door. In addition to changing the hinge and opening side, there's a button to open the door in 3D, and you can toggle that to open and close your doors in a 3D view. You can also edit your doors in 3D. You can click on it, you can resize it, and just like Windows, if you double click and open up the door, inside of the specification you can choose the style of door, the type of door, the swing angle you see in your floor plan view, set the width, height, and thickness, elevation information, and you'll find options for the doors, casing, lights, arch, hardware, materials, and control the door label that you see in your plan view. When you place doors and windows in the Home Designer products, they are coming in with certain attributes, as you notice the door and the window that we placed in this case, and typically those are defined from the template plan you chose when you began. You can always control future doors and windows underneath your default settings. You'll find this up in your upper menu item, and for these settings you'll find defaults for all of the different door styles, and inside of here you can do any editing, so future doors that you place will all use these same attributes. You'll also find a default setting for your windows, which looks a lot like your window dialog. Again, you can make these changes, and then all future windows that you place in your design will have those attributes for your doors and windows. Remember, the help is context sensitive in all Home Designer products. This will launch the help directly into that area of the program, and you can learn more about how doors and windows work within the program.